Emily, right now is not appropriate time to be laughing.
Ow. Ow, hurt.
Emily, are you going to climb up?
I got hurt. I got hurt.
Say, excuse me.
I'm gonna kiss it. I'm gonna kiss it. Make it better. Okay, get ready. Better, 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 better. All better. How about this one? I got hurt.
Oh my god. Did you get your booty hurts too?
Okay, okay. No more hurt. No more hurt.
Good job, Emily. Be careful. Don't get
All
too
better.
comfortable there. Oh.
You have to go up. Take your time, sweet. Your time.
Oh. That's sweet.
Oh.
There you go.
Yay!
Yay! Good job. You guys gonna want to come down the slide together? Bless you. Let's go down the slide together. You want to go? Oh.
Sophia, go on this one. Yeah.
Okay, ready, set, go! Ready, set, go!
Whoa.
Yeah, Emily's a lot slower because she's smaller. Oh, yay, dead leaves. Woohoo! Share, Emily, share. Share. Emily. Emily, give to her. You have to share, please. Thank you. Oh. So, Emily. Emily, you want to go home? Do you want to go home?
Look, honey, how about this
You have to share. You have to share, or you get to, or you go home. Oh, now she wants to share.
All for me?
Oh, good job.
Thank you.
Good job.
Thank you, Emily.
All I had to do was threaten to go home. That's all.
Wait till she gets up.
Let's wait for Emily to get all the way up until she's really safe up there. That's nice of you, though, Sophia.
Whoa! She really wants to give her a leaf. I mean, she really wants to share. So cute. Sticks, my love, sticks. Very exciting sticks, apparently.
Slide.
Oh, ouch.
Oh, now we're going to go play in the dirt.
The dirt.